Guys, I'm super excited because the blood moon is finally coming.
Let's look for the blood moon.
Let's look for the blood moon. I swear it's outside, guys. I swear. I'm scared. Are you serious? That is not completely about blood moon.
It's almost.
It
Look,
is. Oh. Yeah, it's almost blood moon.
it's a little bit nila. And
I am
ito,
super cool. Stay tuned to the end. Because the end. No, we need to wait until like it is 3 na. We need to just chill here first. Wow. Well, it looks like a video, but we're actually in cam over there. But wait, we need to wait until 3. That's actually real, guys. The blood moon is real. Look. Take a close look. Take a close look.
may mga wire.
Ay, wait. Put it down, put it down.
Ang likot ni Johan.
Oh, look at that. A blood moon. I am so scared. When you go closer to it, it looks like look at that blood.
Asa na? Likot?
Blood moon.
Full na siya.
Where?
It's a full.
Look at the blood moon. The blood moon is scary.
Lunar,
blood
total lunar. Lunar.
Look at that blood moon.
Oo, sa gilid lang.
Guys, look at that blood moon over there.
Zoom in.
So guys, this is actually on film. Look. That is actually real.
Real?
Guys, wait. So guys,
Asa na?
I'm
Wala
gonna
na.
show you how the blood moon is. Yo, look at the
Asa na?
blood moon.
Asa na?
Ah!
Ayan, doon pala.
That's why everything is red, so they make it red.
Lower the volume ng voice mo.
Mama. Mama,